Dr. Sarah Bodo from Nova Prime Health here in Kisii. Nova Prime Health is a dental clinic, meaning we deal with all diseases of the oral cavity, beginning from caries to gum diseases, diseases of the soft tissues like the tongue, and everything else in the mouth. Now, today is 20th of March, and it is World Oral Health Day, where we are celebrating a healthy mouth. And a healthy mouth is a mouth that is free of oral diseases, mostly free of caries, free of gum diseases, a mouth that doesn't have any form of bleeding, a mouth that doesn't have bad breath, and such. So today we decided to come here to a children's home to offer our services to the less fortunate in the society, and that is why we picked this particular children's home. And we picked the children, mostly they're below the age of 10. So we were blessed to have some little donations from Colgate. They gave us toothpastes and toothbrushes and also educational materials that has facilitated this day. Those are the things that we have distributed to these children, and we have shown them how to brush their teeth. We have actually brushed together. Since even today they didn't brush their teeth in the morning and they didn't even brush last night, I think it was good to brush teeth with them. And we took some time, so I believe most of them right now have a clean mouth and a clean oral cavity. So we have also ran an oral health checkup for the children and even the staff of this children's home, just to ensure that whoever has a problem in the mouth, maybe a cavity, a gum disease, or anything else suspicious in the mouth, is referred accordingly to a healthcare facility. So for the children here, we have those ones who have problems in the mouth have been referred to Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, where they are going to have their issues sorted out there. World Oral Health Day is for the whole world, for the whole country and everywhere. So there are different clinics in the country who are involved today in offering education to the public. Maybe if it's a congregation or if it's a group of people, they go there and they educate the public about how to keep a good oral hygiene, where to go when they have diseases in the mouth, and even in the clinics. Sometimes oral health education doesn't have to be in masses. Even that person that comes to our clinics for just a checkup or even treatment, personally, I take time to teach this person. I normally take even about 5 minutes to educate them about the importance of keeping their mouths clean, and how even to seek timely treatment for the diseases that they may have. And I do realize that this education goes a long way, because when you educate one person, that one person may end up educating 10 or even 20. So yes, education does not end here, not only with our clinic. In as much as we came here to a children's home, I believe others out there in the public are also getting oral health. The prevalence is quite high. Actually, 1 in every 3 adults has ever had tooth extraction or a caries cavity. And when it comes to children, for children it's even worse, because it's almost at 50% of all the children that we have. So you can imagine, if you have maybe 10 children in a room, 5 of them have active caries cavities. And this will manifest even on the children that I see personally in the clinic. Some of them come and they have more than 3 cavities, more than 3, more than 4, more than 5 cavities, and they come in pain. And I think it is very sad, because most of the time you find the parents don't know, they're ignorant, they don't know when to start cleaning the oral cavity, they don't know how to do it, and some of them think that when a child is at the age of 4, age of 5, they're old enough to take care of their mouths. And so that is the time that I take with the parents to teach them, to let them know the importance of getting involved in keeping the mouths of their children clean, taking the toothbrush by themselves, or if any adult in the house to brush the teeth, to brush and to keep the mouth clean, the mouth of this child clean. And this should happen every day. It should be on a daily basis. The most important time to brush teeth, both for children and for adults, is in the evening before you go to bed. When you've already eaten the whole day, at least brush your teeth so that you go to bed with a healthy mouth, with a clean mouth. That means you're going to reduce the chances of having cavities.
I think today is a World Health Day. By choosing our institution as the only place with that service. We appreciate her so much for this, and we then want other people to emulate this kind of gesture given to us. Not all doctors are coming here. In fact, for all our people are going to do, now we are the second person coming back. So I think we should have more doctors coming in, even for different ailments, just to check our children, give back what we can do in terms of
Today being the World Project, time Noval Clinic, together with Others Limited, we have come to celebrate the day and support of the children of the Kisii Child Welfare Society. And we want to make sure that they know how to brush their teeth, they know how to use the brushes, they know how to use toothpaste, so it is good for their health. And we want to make sure that they grow being happy and they can be able to offer a smile to each and every person, and they know that they can carry